Hey everybody, it's Dr. Ray back in the garden. I'm in my neighbor's garden actually, and I just love ground covers. If you've been following anything I've been writing or posting, you know that I love ground covers to cover the ground. I'm really not a big fan of all the dirt that one sees in gardens because I love having it so planted that no weed dare grow through it. This is a great ground cover. This is Asiatic Jasmine, and snow in summer is how you're going to find this thing. It moves along pretty rapidly, but I just love these colors. Tolerates lots of shade. Put this in too much sun, it's probably just going to melt out. Unfortunately, it's not hardy up in the Midwest or certainly up in Montreal, but about zone 7B, 7-ish, it does just fine. Find them, grow them, enjoy them. We all need jasmine in a garden. Doesn't flower much, but who cares? It's just so pretty. Come on, let's go garden. Come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia.